Good morning, everyone. So today's video will explain how you're going to be creating your personal leadership plan. Yesterday, we completed the brainstorming aspect, right? This is where you were required to jot down your ideas in response to those bulleted questions that I gave you, as you can see on the screen. Today, you're going to be creating your personal leadership plan, considering all of that information that you put together yesterday. Remember, you're not limited to Skills USA, but I do ask that Skills USA is somewhere in your plan. 6 sections are required in your personal leadership plan. Section 1 discusses your activities. What groups, clubs, sports, or activities you can include things at your at your house of faith, like your temple, your church, your mosque. Do you plan to be a part of in the next few years, and why? Section 2 is your leadership assessment. Here's where you'll identify your strengths and weaknesses in leadership. Section 3, this is where you'll discuss how you can improve your leadership skills. Section 4, include your leadership plans. What offices or roles would best be suited for you and why? Tell me, if you plan on joining an athletic team, you hope to make captain. Why do you think you'd be a good captain? If you plan on joining Skills USA for our school, our Law and Justice chapter, and you want to be the president of Skills USA, why do you think you'd be a good fit to be a president in that organization? Section 5 discusses your competition and achievement plans. What competitions would you like to participate in and when? Skills USA competitions and others. This is why I had you do that competitions assignment a few days ago. Because this gave you that information that you need in order to discuss some of those competition plans. As for achievements, are there any achievements that you've been recognized for, like volunteerism awards or any other honors? And then include those that you hope to receive as well. And then lastly is your timeline for Section 6. This is where you'll outline your plan for each year of high school and when you plan to achieve your goals. Now, those of you who are seniors may be asking, well, I'm done with high school. What does that mean for me? What I'm going to ask is that regardless of whatever grade you're in, you're going to put in your plan for the next 4 years. Okay, that's the requirement for this assignment for Section 6. It needs to be a 4-year plan. Document what goals you want to achieve and how you're going to achieve them. If you're a senior, you include whether you're going to college, trade school, technical school, if you're just going into the work field, anything. Be sure to document and clearly identify your plans, your goals, and how you plan to achieve those goals in the next 4 years. Now, you may be asking, how am I supposed to be doing all of this? Well, go into Microsoft Teams under our class meetings channel, and you're going to find an announcement that I posted that says personal leadership plan. That's where you're going to tell me how you're going to do it. Are you going to do a PowerPoint? Are you going to do a recording? Like you put your camera up to your face and you record yourself talking through all of it? Are you going to do, I don't know, whatever else you want to do? Are you going to do a research paper with, you'll need to make sure a couple of paragraphs respond to each section. So however you're going to do it, that needs to be what you put into Microsoft Teams. And then you're going to get all of this information together and you're going to get your presentation together. And then that's going to be submitted on Tuesday when we return back from our long weekend, and it'll be due by 4 p.m. on Microsoft Teams. So that's pretty much the explanation for your personal leadership plan. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, have a great weekend.